of YouTube. These are probably the craziest shoes you'll ever see. I'm not gonna lie, I already started opening. Exposed. I'm doing it for you to show you guys. These are the craziest pair of shoes I bought. Let me show you. Let me show you the two pairs of shoes I got. These and the other shoes I'm gonna show you are the only two shoes I'll probably wear for the rest of the year, like out when I'm going out and about. And I don't know about any other pair of shoes really. I think the two I have are the only ones. But let me show you the first one. Let me know if you want to see that unboxing video. If not, forget about it. I scratched the idea. But hold on. I bought these. You already know what these are. I've been wearing them too. Skating. I got these, the Wizard of Oz. They're already kind of ripping though. I think they're kind of meant to do that, but kind of sad to see. But these are going to be the shoes I wear. Either these are going to be an everyday shoe. And it's the only reason is because like you could barely see stains on there, which I like. So it's these, the Wizard of Oz I have. Oh, these for $260 and they're already ripping on me. But again, I think the material is meant to be ripped up. And yeah, so these are the one. And then these, I bought these on a site called Light in the Box. I'll leave a link in the description. I got these for like 30 something, and I'm gonna say round it out to 40. $40 shoes. These are probably gonna be my daily wears. I'm a flashy guy too. These are, you can say these are kind of flashy. That's why I got them, because they're kind of flashy, and I like them. And again, stains. I'm all about, man, will they see stains? That's the main thing. So that's why I got these, because you can't really see stains on red shoes. And so yeah, got these color and then the other color I'm about to show you. And yeah, honestly, the two pairs I have are probably my main shoes I wear. Probably the only pair of shoes I need is black, but I don't even really wear black shoes like that. So I got my red and then these. And I'm about to show you right now. You're about to see them. These are probably the craziest shoes I ever bought. You probably seen it in the thumbnail. You're wondering, yeah, how did I get these? This is where I got them from, the Light in the Box. That's where I got them from. And yeah, these are the shoes. These are the shoes themselves. I'm gonna be wearing all gold. I just searched gold shoes and I came across these. They're like Air Force Ones, but not really. And I think these are gonna be my main daily shoes. Like, these are gonna be what I wear like every time I'm going out. These are shoes, man. Maybe call it attention seeking, but I think these are fire. Just because I feel like gold would go literally everything. So it came with a couple scratches, nooks and crannies, but I'm not sure. Cap, that is so cap. I actually had to go get a new pair of shoes because I did the worst scratch on them and I did not like it at all. I didn't like the shoes one bit, so I had to take it back and I got me some new ones. And this is why this video is coming out when it is. It was supposed to come out way earlier, but here it is now. Back to the video. Off that, because you really wouldn't even like really notice. You have to really look down to notice. And these are heat, bro. They fit perfect for me. Size 10.5, but I could wear an 11, and these are 11. And I like how it fits. I like how it looks. And yeah, little smudges, but who you know wear these? That's the thing. I'm not even a sneakerhead, but I feel like I am. I got these and I just like the color. They did excellent on the color. 100% W. Like, they did an excellent job. Like, for 40, you can't beat these. And yeah, the reason why is like, the only reason I really got these is because I like how the fact that these could go with everything, one. And then two, I had to replace these for the foam runners. I wanted foam runners. Oh no, not foam runners. I had to replace these for the foam posit. I wanted gold foam posit, black and gold. But they sold out all the ones I wanted, so I ended up just getting gold shoes. And these are it, and you'll probably be seeing me wear these a lot more. So yeah, this is my damn near shoe collection. These, and then these. See you on the next one, man. Stay blessed, like lit. And if you ever see me outside with these and wonder why there's tears in it and just red, it's because they're ripping, man. Yeah. See you on the next one, man. Stay blessed. Peace. These shoes you see me in. If you ever see me in real life, these are probably what you'll see me in. Maybe if it's not black shoes. See you next one, man. Peace. Or my beaters to go beat up to get places. I'll show you my beaters anyway. I'll show you the beaters. Where these to work. These are beaters, man. Or these things to work, man. They got feet. Yeah, these are definitely the beaters. I don't want to mess up the main honeys, the main squeeze. See you on the next one, man. Bye, bye, bye. I love you. I'm sorry. Yeah. Peace. Please like, share, and subscribe because I have no life. Bye. Oh, damn it. I didn't see that. I didn't mean to flex my new shoe. Oh, yeah. Wait. These makeup because I couldn't get these. We lit the gold shoes. Turn up. Damn. These are tough, bro. Nah, these are great. What do you guys think? Rate these shoes on a scale of 1 to 10. Not a sneakerhead, but I'm fire for stuff.